Hey guys, it's Janie at the League-Kempner House, except I'm not at the League-Kempner House today. I'm here at the Lucas apartments that are behind me. And I'm down here today because up in just 3 short weeks, we're going to be on the fall garden tour for the East End Historic District. It's a fundraiser they do every year. It's a great event. On that same day, we also have our Ghost Coast. And you just saw my husband go by in the, but we are also doing a fundraiser here. So what we've done in the past is at the garden tour, we had it at the League House, but this time we're opening the courtyard to the Lucas. And as a separate fundraiser for us at the League House, we're going to tour the second floor, part of the ground floor, and one of the carriage houses in the back. And so there's just a ton of work to do. Let me just spin around and show you our great view. Here is the Bishop's Palace. They've been working on the roof. So this is a fabulous location, but we have a lot to do. So we're going to offer $10 tours of the Lucas, again, to raise money for down there. And normally I spend Sunday mornings, I get up super early and work on y'all's video. But today my husband and I hopped in the truck and came down here because there's so much work to do and I need to get this done. So no regular video, and I apologize, some of this you have seen and some of it has been on our member videos, but this little powder room is getting a makeover. I've got to get in here, finish stripping the wallpaper, clean the walls, get them prepped, paint that trim and ceiling, get that light fixture down. I've got everything torn up from one end to another. I've got these borrowed chairs from the League House that we're staging for the home tour, and I just have a mess everywhere. We just stopped at Home Depot and got some supplies on the way. I've actually made a big list of things that have to get done in the next 3 or 4 days. A tub is getting delivered tomorrow. More supplies for the bathroom over here. Again, I have just totally destroyed every square inch. I've been patching places that should have been done probably 10 years ago. But the big project is the bathroom, and the tub is getting delivered tomorrow. I don't know if I said that or not. Countertops in. We had a huge problem with the sinks. These are very expensive Kohlers, and the porcelain is bowed. They don't seat. The holes have already been cut. I'm stuck with these sinks. So we've ordered 2 more of them to try to pick and choose which are best. Unfortunately, they came from Home Depot. 3 times we ordered them and they were broken. So we just now got 2 more unbroken ones to try to get that done. A lot of prep for wallpaper in here. I have to take this down. Rich, our volunteer, is coming Tuesday to help me sand all this high trim so we can get that painted. We've got to get the blinds down, the windows done, new plumbing put in, new shelf belts, just tons and tons and tons of stuff. And my good friend Stephanie, who's on the board, and her husband Glenn already came and spent 3 days with me doing a ton of work to get things ready. It's hard to tell what they did, but they worked very, very hard and very long to help with this project. So no video today. Hopefully I'll have some time this week and maybe get it out as a Wednesday video. I know we're a little bit behind on the work, getting caught up, but we'll start jumping ahead pretty quickly. But it's been busy and it's not slowing down. And in the courtyard, you can see bricks out there. Ricardo and crew have been working here for me. They will be coming on Tuesday to get that area finished up so we can get a lot of these plants moved out of the way and tucked around in their permanent home out of there. So yeah, just work to do. So again, I apologize for no video. I know y'all say not to worry about it. It's no big deal, but I just wanted to let you know what's going on. We are frantically working and trying to get ready for a whole series of events that are going to be going on. And I did do a members video a couple weeks ago because we do get asked about money and how much it takes to restore the League house and get that done. And so fundraising is a big part of what we do because we have to pay for all that work that goes on. I'm just going to give you the highlights of the numbers real quick. Since I bought the house in 2021, I don't have the numbers with me. Well, shoot, never mind. I won't tell you. I think we've spent about $300,000, and we have about $1.9 million left to go, based on my rough calculation. So it's a lot. It takes a lot of money to restore a big house like that. It may end up being more. So we do need to fundraise. It's also a great way to get people in the house, interested in the house, and curious and supportive of restoration and saving these great homes. So I'm going to let you go. My husband's chomping at the bit to get started, and we will see you back hopefully Wednesday with a video, if not for sure next Sunday with a full-length video. Thanks for watching.